If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm so happy to introduce you to the Georgie bag by KiteCoCreates. How incredibly adorable is this bag? Let me show you the features of this bag. So it has an optional crossbody strap like I've done in this one, where you could take it off or put it on or whatever, or just leave it off the bag altogether. Cute little handbag straps. I've done this one with double-sided straps. So I've got the glitter on the bottom for these. A double zipper closure, a zipper pocket in the back here. When you open this up, for a small bag, it opens up a nice and wide. Like, look at that. It has a large slip pocket on one side. This is the perfect night out bag. It's the perfect bag for those that do not want a large bag, but still like to have a cute bag. Anyways, if you are one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All of my information is down below. If you're part of the bag makers community, I do have a tutorial on this one. It's not up yet. It will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one.